Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sole fish fillet. First, select fresh sole fillets, ideally around 1/2 inch thick, ensuring they look bright and firm. Next, it's crucial to pat them thoroughly dry using paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear. Finally, season both sides generously with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. These simple preparations lay the foundation for a delicious meal. For a classic pan-fried sole, begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned sole fillets into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd them, which can steam the fish instead of searing. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a lovely golden brown and the fish becomes opaque throughout. This method yields a wonderfully crispy exterior. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a baking dish to prevent sticking, then arrange your sole fillets in a single layer. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. The fish is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork, indicating it's tender and moist. Baking is a fantastic, hands-off approach for a healthy and delicious meal. Once your sole is cooked to perfection, serve it immediately. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top brightens the flavor wonderfully. For an extra touch, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or dill. You might also consider a light sauce, such as a classic Beurre Blanc or a quick caper butter sauce, to elevate the dish further. Enjoy your perfectly cooked sole fish fillet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.